What is MaxiComfort with Twilight positioning? The name refers to positioning that only this chair can achieve. A state of twilight is meant to suggest a place of tranquility and utopia, a place only this new recliner can provide. These positions include, but are not limited to, the new TV watching position with Twilight, the new zero gravity position with Twilight, the new lounge position made possible with Twilight, and any other positioning you can find in between. These positions can be found easily using the updated auto drive hand control. How does it work? This MaxiComfort with Twilight positioning has a third reclining motor and an upgraded patent-pending mechanism we refer to as the Cradle. We named the Cradle because when activated, the entire chair tilts back, giving the body the feeling of being cradled. This is the world's first three-motor luxury recliner. The auto drive hand control system has three groups of control buttons, including total control, position control, custom control. Now, auto drive includes two Twilight right and left arrow buttons, which activate the cradle mech at any time. First, when seated, press and hold until the pre-programmed TV button until the chair stops in the TV position. Now, activate the Twilight system. Press and hold the arrow right button until the chair stops. This is TV with Twilight. Return the chair back to the standard TV position by pressing and holding the arrow left button. Now, press and hold the ZG button until the chair stops to bring it to the pre-programmed zero gravity position. Now activate the Twilight system. Press and hold the arrow right button until the chair stops. This is zero gravity with Twilight. While in this position, you can now easily get to the new lounge position. Use the custom control arrow buttons at the bottom of the control. First, press the foot down arrow to drop the seat box and eventually lower the footboard to a 30-degree angle. This is the new lounge position. This is the only power recliner in the world that can offer positioning like this. Twilight also allows you to adjust the recliner's seat height up by 2 inches for taller users to be more comfortable while seated. Just press the Twilight arrow right and footrest arrow down buttons at the same time to raise the seat height up. You can also easily program your favorite positions in the chair by pressing and holding the M or memory button until the lights blink. Then press the TV or ZG button you wish to program as your new favorite pre-programmed position. Why Twilight positioning? Studies have shown that when the body is in various unique positions, rest and rejuvenation, not to mention quality of rest, can be at its maximum. These include feet above the heart, which can aid in flushing the lymph system while aiding in circulation. Having the knees to thighs to back, each at 30 degrees to cradle your body. Finally, laying with your knees slightly bent in a more natural position instead of laying flat. As always, all Golden Power recliners are made by Americans and backed by the industry's best warranties. Ask your Golden retailer for more information or visit goldentech.com.